Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the keyboard list that keeps popping up on Android. Let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on General Management. Depending on your Android device, this option may have a slightly different name, but it usually contains your keyboard and language settings. Next, tap on Keyboard List and Default. Here you'll see all the keyboards that are currently installed on your phone. If you have multiple keyboards enabled, the keyboard list may keep appearing whenever you tap on a text field. To fix this, simply disable the keyboards that you don't use. For example, in my case, I'll turn off Microsoft SwiftKey and Google Gboard, leaving only the Samsung keyboard enabled. After that, tap on Default Keyboard and make sure you've selected the same keyboard that is still enabled. Using only one enabled keyboard prevents Android from asking you to choose a keyboard every time you start typing. Now close the Settings app and try opening any app where the keyboard appears. The keyboard list should no longer keep popping up. That's it. That's how you can fix the keyboard list that keeps popping up on Android. Thanks for watching.